Is it time to buy or sell Costco stock? In this video, we will take a closer look at Costco. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 21st of August, 2025. And now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You definitely do not want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Since the 21st of August, 2025, our system has ranked Costco as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.93. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The stock is currently positioned within a downward trend in the short term, and indications suggest a further decline within this trend. The current 3-month trend implies a potential decrease of approximately 6.38% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -12.13% to -4.8%. When we examine the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 9.70%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 5.65% and 27.71% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $1,024.47 and $1,238.41. Our latest daily update for Costco includes the headline, "Weaker Technical Forecast for Costco as Stock Downgraded to Sell Candidate." The Costco stock price fell by 2.5% on the last day, Thursday, the 21st of August, 2025, from $994.57 to $969.68. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.25% from a day low at $967.59 to a day high of $989.32. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still down by 0.79% for this period. Volume increased on the last day by 176,000 shares, albeit with falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 2 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2 billion and $1 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $1,078.23, while the lowest price was $867.16. Currently, the price is 10.07%, or $108.55, below the 52-week high of $1,078.23, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Costco shares have shown resilience into late August, trading near the 995 mark after a recent 1.4% uptick. Technical signals have traders cautious. The stock just printed a death cross as the 50-day moving average dipped below the 200-day, a pattern that can amplify near-term selling or range-bound action around earnings. Offsetting that, strategic moves matter. Costco's new partnership to add Buy Now, Pay Later via Affirm aims to boost digital conversion and big-ticket purchases heading into the fourth quarter, which could lift same-store sales and average transaction sizes if adoption accelerates. Competitive positioning versus Walmart and steady membership economics keep Costco attractive for long-term investors, and its payout profile continues to draw income-focused holders. In the short term, expect volatility tied to technical momentum, retail earnings season, and macro data. Positive digital traction or stronger than expected comparable sales would spark a relief rally. In the long term, the membership model, execution on omni-channel initiatives, and steady margins support continued upside, even as competition and macro risks temper the pace of gains. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 3rd of June 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned cost an overweight rating along with a hold action. On the same day, Telsey Advisory also provided cost with a hold rating, maintaining a hold action. On Thursday, the 29th of May, 2025, Evercore ISI rated cost as outperform while suggesting a hold action. On that same Thursday, Loop Capital Markets gave cost a buy rating, also with a hold action. Earlier, on Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, Telsey Advisory again rated cost as outperform while recommending a hold action. Analysts have assigned Costco stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. In terms of return on investment, analysts provide the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Costco. The Costco stock currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this indicates a general buy signal for the stock, providing a positive outlook. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $978.68. In contrast, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at approximately $963.92. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will prompt a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal has been generated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly referred to as MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may affect near-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, August 20th, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 2.5%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which could serve as an early warning sign, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal, 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 8 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 13 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 10 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 31 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Costco. Costco finds support from accumulated volume at $968.56. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock typically trades at a substantial volume, and due to minor daily fluctuations, the risk is regarded as low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $21.73, which is a change of 2.25% between its high and low. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.64%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Costco, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio might indicate that the stock is overvalued, or it could suggest that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 25th of September, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $5.80. It's essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Costco. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Costco is at $980.29. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a potential point for swing trading. On the downside, Costco faces its first support level at $968.56. Should this support level hold steady, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Costco from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of July, 2025, Jeffrey S. Rakes conducted an insider sale of 6,573 shares of common stock. On the same day, Yoram Rubinenko conducted an insider sale of 4,000 shares of common stock. Earlier, on the 1st of July, 2025, Tiffany Marie Barbary conducted an insider purchase of no shares of common stock. On the 18th of June, 2025, Susan L. Decker conducted an insider sale of 546 shares of common stock. On the same day, Susan L. Decker also conducted an insider sale of 1 share of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 0.101. Overall, insiders purchased 104,852 shares and sold 88,340 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Costco stock a good buy? Costco presents several negative indicators, leading us to believe it will continue to perform weakly over the next few days or weeks. Therefore, we hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our recommendation for this stock from a buy to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 22nd of August, we anticipate that Costco will open higher by $5.85, beginning trading at $975.53. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.